sophistication on this call, but this is really, really important stuff, okay? And then leverage unrealized gains to compound tax-free, right? So that's going to be by 1031ing properties. I'm leveraging unrealized gains. I'm going to be, in JR's case, I'll use him as an example. I'm building auto repair shops. I'm buying them for $200K. I'm increasing their revenue so they're worth $2 million. I'm putting them together with other revenue, my other auto repair shops. If I sell those as a package, I'm compounding those unrealized gains, which is tax-free. Next, pay with pre-tax dollars. This is basics for the business owners that are on this call, very likely, but pay all your legitimate business expenses to your business so you can get an automatic discount. For those of you that are on this call that don't have an LLC to run expenses through, to run your business through, I just want to encourage you, everybody should have an LLC. Everybody should have an LLC. The difference on W-2 income, you get paid, your pay goes to the tax man, then you receive what's left. And this is basics. This is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the book by Robert Kiyosaki, Basics, guys. But if I have an LLC, then I can take out expenses prior to paying taxes. I pay tax on a lesser number. So the things that I'm not able to do as an employee, my cell phone, some of my fuel, a portion of my house, a portion of my rent, a portion of my light bill, all the way to other very, very serious tax advantages that I get if I have an LLC. And then plan before you play. And we talked about this. Plan the tax impact before you make any plays. Meet regularly with your tax strategist and keep them in the loop as early as possible. Can't stress this enough, guys. And again, we talk about this all the time. From the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The time matrix, right? This is a quadrant 2 item. Meeting with your tax guy, is that urgent? Well, it is on the 15th of December if you haven't met with him in 8 months, but it's not urgent if I'm meeting with him in March, in May, in June, in October. I just met with my tax guy 3 weeks ago, talked about the things that have changed, because things change a lot. They think I move pretty quick, and I do. And I want to keep him informed of what's going on and what we see. And we already know, we have an idea of what my tax exposure is going to be. I already know what I'm going to depreciate this year. I already know what apartment complexes I'm taking down. I already know what income, rough numbers projected out, where I'm going to be for the end of the year. You want to figure those things out, and it's a little painful. I'll forewarn you, it's a little painful to come up with those numbers, but you should go through that pain to save 50 grand. Is it worth it? You bet it is. Because remember, that 50 grand compounded at 8% interest for the next 10 years is a lot more than 50 grand, guys.